Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lake Butler, local and long-distance movers near me. Even if the relocation is inside the same state, a move of more than 50 miles is considered long distance. 3 Movers offers unmatched long-distance truck rental services in Lake Butler. Our vehicles are constantly in excellent condition, and we assign certified drivers to each one. We provide a range of vans that can transport everything from tiny to huge pieces of equipment. Our services are excellent and reasonably priced. Have you recently moved to Lake Butler and need to relocate your home goods and appliances? You're in good hands with our long-distance moving business. We are a trustworthy and dependable brand because of years of expertise. We can take care of anything, including furniture, kitchen appliances, bedding, couches, and other home gadgets. A local move is typically less than 50 miles long. 3 Movers has trucks that can handle vehicles of various sizes. We have professional and qualified drivers that will make the utmost care with your things, regardless of the size. Whatever moving equipment you require, we have you covered. What's more, these services will only cost you between $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lake Butler moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.